Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how to play the A minor arpeggios in the first position on the violin. There will be 2 octaves that we will cover. Thanks for joining me here today. If you're a regular, welcome on back. If you're new here, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button down below. So recently I made 2 tutorials, part 1 and part 2. You can check them out here for the A minor scales, natural, harmonic and melodic minor. Normally when I make these tutorials for scales, I put the arpeggios, but for some reason I forgot. So here they are in an extra part 3. So for the lower octave, on the G string we've got 1, M3, then 1 on the D and 4 on the D string. So we just need the M shape, 1, 3, 1, 4. For the upper octave, if we do just the single upper octave, we can start from the open A. So we'll go A, low 2, open E and 3. So A, 2, E and 3. So we've got our nice L shape on the E string. If we are doing the 2 octaves together, I actually do let my students do the open A string instead of the 4th finger on the D string, just because I like keeping these nice little patterns. 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. 1, M3, 1, open A, low 2, open E, 3, open E, low 2, open A, first finger on the D, M3, and 1 on the D. Thanks for joining me for this short and sweet tutorial. Make sure you hit the like button down below if this helped you out at all. Leave me a comment down below, let me know how you're doing with your scales, and I would absolutely love if you hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.